Hey guys and gals, how we doing? Shaggy's Awesome Garage. Thank you for being here. This is a, I guess you call it a post-Christmas video. Yeah, it's after Christmas and all the family's gone back to Georgia, and we're kind of trying to sit around the house and chill out a little bit. If you hear some noise in the background, the dryer's going. We had to do a load of laundry today. But yeah, let me get you turned around to the bench and I'll show you what's going on. Give me just a few seconds. Hey guys, we're back at the bench. Thank you guys for tuning in to Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I am Shaggy. We are here at the bench, and I will show you my post-Christmas stash ad, I guess you could say. I ordered a few things from the internet last week, and I was hoping they would get here before Christmas, but they didn't. But it's all good. You know how that stuff goes. First of all, let me get you down to the bench. Hang on just a second. There we go. I'm gonna move my little BW mouse out the way. First things first. Let me show you this pile of Christmas cards I got. This is the most Christmas cards I've ever gotten in recent years. This is really cool. I'm not gonna mention all the guys in here because it'd take forever. But you know who you are, and I appreciate you for sending all the cards. It really means a lot. There's several, I don't know, 10, 12, 11, 15. I'm not sure. I lost count after a while. But I appreciate all you guys for sending out the cards, and they will be cherished. Thank you so very much. First of all, before I get to the stash ad, I want to show you an update. It's been warm here in Florida for like the past week and a half. I think Christmas Day was like 75 degrees, which was crazy. We were out. My friend's my cousin, my wife's cousin, come down from Georgia, from Tifton, Georgia. James and his girlfriend Ashley, they were here over the weekend and they wanted to go crabbing. So we did crabbing yesterday, and but yeah, it was a lot of fun. But let me move you over here and show you a little bit of update I got, because I said we went crabbing because the weather is so nice, and because the weather was so nice, I did some painting, and I'll show you what I did on that. Let me get you over here so you can see it in the sunshine. So that is my dirt track Nova buddy build with Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. As you can tell, the chassis and roll cage and all that has a final coat of paint on it, and this is the interior color I'm going with. I wanted it to be a Dayglow orange, but in my ignorance, I guess you could say, I primed the body with gray and then sprayed it with a Dayglow orange, and it dulled the orange down a little bit. But, you know, that's okay. We'll just go with it. And when I print the decals, I'll just print them to match that color. So this is not the final coat on the body, but it is the final coat on the chassis. Let me pop this off here and so you guys get a better look at it. Hang on a sec. So, yeah. It's supposed to be a Dayglow fluorescent orange type color, but now I can do some detail painting. I can put my seat in there, the fire extinguisher, and I can do all the gauges and the harness and seat belts and the racing seat and all that good jazz. Put the engine in there, run all the wires. I finally got the engine put together. I don't know if I've showed you guys that or not, but of course, you know, I had to have plug wires to match the chassis, so yeah, might get lost in here, but who's counting, right? But hopefully I will get the decals printed up this coming week, and maybe even get the rest of the body painted. Who knows? We will see. But let me get you back over this way to the bench. Hang on just a few minutes there, fellas and ladies and people of all ages, children's, whatnot. First of all, I got this right here. It was an order I made from Iceman Collections. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that is a 1/24 scale child car seat. I think it's pretty cool. You know what, let me take it out of the bag. Just get it out of the bag and show you guys. Get rid of these right here. These are ghost turds. Packing peanuts, whatever you want to call them. But I call them ghost turds, because, you know, when a ghost turd, it's white. Anyhow. But yeah, this is a small little child car seat. Got it from Iceman Collections. I think it's pretty cool. And that's going to a club member of ours who is expecting. So he doesn't know this yet, but if he watches this video, I'm sure he will. But anyhow, that's gonna go to a club member. So be a little bit of a surprise. And he just got finished with a rat rod, so maybe he can put it in the rat rod. So we'll see. Anyhow, guys, that's a something I got from Iceman Collections. And I also got another box here. Nope, it's not a pizza box. It's from Mean Machines. I ordered some wheels for the dirt tractor. It's this guy right here, Alex Bowen, over at Mean Machines 3D printed scale model parts. And what it is, I've got a set of drag wheels for my should I had a V8. Here's your some Hoosier drag wheels. Then I've got the, hang on, got a phone call. Sorry about that. I had a phone call coming in and they messed my phone up. Let's see if I can pull these out of here so you guys can get a look at what's going on. This one right here. Get a big tire out of there. You can see what it looks like. It's the Hoosier Pro Street 29 by 18 and a half, 15 by 15. It's the left side tire. So, and here's the you guys can see that. Not a whole lot of light on this side. Let me move over here. Maybe I can put a little bit more light on the situation. Probably not too much going on in the background. But yeah, these are some drag wheels that I've got. Oh yeah, that looks better. Let me turn it that way. Losing daylight. So yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like that. And then we have the front tires. Front tires and the front wheels. That'll work for that. And then we got a bag of disc brakes. That'll work. Then we got some what is this? Bassett D-hole 15 by 8. That's for the these ones right here. Let me pull these out of the bag and show you what they look like. Yeah, I was talking with Joe several weeks ago, and we were talking about where we could get the wheels we used to race on those cars back in the day. And he said, try Mean Machine. So that's what I got. Got some Mean Machine Bassett D-hole wheels, and that's going to go on the Stalker. It's going to look pretty good, I think. Once I get them primed and painted. And so yeah, that's what's going to go on there. And I'm hoping that that we end up with that kind of a version of you know, something like this, maybe maybe that. You get the idea. So yeah, that's why I wanted those wheels, and I think they're going to turn out just fine. That'll look good. But that's what I got from Mean Machines, and he sent me a sticker. Appreciate that, Alex. Where does it go? So yeah, there's my my dirt track wheels that I bought, and my Pro Stock wheels that I got. Those will come in nice and handy. I really like the details in this thing, man. Look at that. If I can get it in a little bit closer. Yeah, there we go. Now you guys see it's got the bead lock on the outside. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's going to be awesome. So yeah, let me put that back in the box and I'll show you what else I got in the mail the other day. as you guys know, there's a guy on Facebook. He doesn't have a YouTube channel. He might put up a couple shorts every once in a while, but most of his stuff is on Facebook. It's this guy right here, Model Man Chuck 3D on Facebook. So yeah, I ordered a, and I'll put a picture of it right here. It's the 1/16 scale trike, and I got it in the mail yesterday. Let me see if I can get it all out of here. Show you guys what's going on. And of course, you know, I'm not prepared, but that's par for the course with me. But anyhow, guys, let me show you what's in this big old wrap here. I mean, he wraps this stuff really well. And this is the this here's the chassis. Pretty cool. And you can tell how big it's going to be. And look at the size of these wheels. This is insane. So, I'll pop the wheels out and show you. And then the bomber seat is going to go along with it. So yeah, this is going to be cool. Here's the seat, and here's the wheels, and here's the front tire for it. Ready to go right here. And you know, sometimes he prints in different resins. Just depends on what he has at the moment. But it's all the same resin, just different colors. Here's the front wheel. It's got the disc brakes on it. Got the custom design little front wheel there. And we got a Springer front end, looks like. And as you can tell, it's got little spikes on here. I like those spikes. Those are cool. And then you can take the disc brake, put it right over the wheel, and then there you have your front suspension. And that's going to go right here. So yeah, guys, you get the idea. I mean, it's got to be a... Let me see if I can bend it down a little more. There we go. Of course, it's not put together just yet, but I'll show you. Where's the engine? Yeah, here's the engine for it. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's got a lot of pieces. Yeah, look at the detail in this thing. That is insane. Very cool. Absolutely cool. I really like it. Yeah, so that thing's gonna sit back here somewhere, and then we got. I mean, you get the idea. It's good. Like I said, I'll put a picture up here. A lot of sunlight coming in through the window, but that's my haul, guys. If you like what you see here, go on over to Chuck on Facebook and tell him that Shaggy sent you over. You want to look at what he has to offer. Chuck's a great guy, and he's a great 3D printer. Awesome dude, just all around awesome guy. And he printed this thing for me right here. This little Shaggy stand. That's what I call it anyways. But yeah, it's cool. Look at the design in these. Look how detailed even the pulleys are. The belt's even got grooves in it. That's really cool. I like that. That's awesome. I'm really digging this seat too. Old bomber seat. Like that. So yeah, guys, this is put this all back together when I'm done here. But thanks for tuning in, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this stuff I got today. And yeah, if you let me. Let's see, where did it go? Yeah, well, I guess that's it. But yeah, thank you for all the subscribers. I think I'm up to 955 right now. And when we get to 1,000, we'll do something special for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with me. And we will see you guys on the next video. It'll probably be sometime after the new year. Not sure. I got to get back to the bench and start building again. But it's going to get crazy cold this next week. And but yeah, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. Leave me a thumbs up. And we will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks. See you next time.